Samsung just pulled a bold move with its smallest Galaxy S phone by giving it a whole new identity. But here's the twist, the Pro name might not actually mean what people expect. Some leaks call it a game changer, while others think it's just marketing magic. Either way, what we're learning about the Galaxy S26 Pro is surprising. Welcome back. If you love staying ahead in tech, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. So here's the scoop. The Galaxy S26 Pro is set to replace the 6.2-inch Galaxy S25, and Samsung's Pro branding could be their boldest experiment in years. The title screams premium, but leaks suggest the biggest change might literally just be the name itself. That's raising eyebrows across the tech world because Pro models usually mean sharper displays, better cameras, and standout features. Yet here, the story might be different. Take the display, for example. Buyers expect a Pro screen to impress, but early leaks point to Samsung sticking with a 108p panel in 2026. Meanwhile, competitors are pushing brighter, sharper resolutions, which makes Samsung's move feel safe, maybe too safe. And when it comes to cameras, things don't get much more exciting. A new 50MP main sensor sounds nice, but without a bigger size. The upgrade might not feel dramatic at all. The ultra-wide is rumored to swap in another 50MP sensor, which looks impressive on paper, but may not add much in real use. And then there's that familiar 10MP telephoto lens still hanging around after years. On the surface, it looks like progress, but in practice, it could end up feeling like a minor refresh. This is where the Pro name really gets tested, because buyers expect leaps forward, not small tweaks, but design lovers. Here's something to enjoy. Samsung is giving the S26 Pro a fresh back redesign, moving to a vertical camera layout like their foldables. Combined with a slimmer frame, the phone keeps that premium vibe and stands out visually. It's subtle, but it does make the device feel new. The real question is whether what's inside can match the style and keep the Pro name feeling justified. Under the hood, things finally look brighter. Rumors suggest Qualcomm's next-gen chip, faster memory, and a boosted 3000 mAh battery, the largest ever for a base Galaxy S model. That upgrade alone could make a noticeable difference in daily battery life. It might not sound groundbreaking, but for Samsung, this is a major shift and could actually be one of the S26 Pro's strongest selling points. The lineup itself is also changing. No more standard or plus versions, just the S26 Pro, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra. That makes the Pro the new entry-level flagship, which is a smart move, but also raises the stakes. Since it's the one most people will buy, it needs to feel like a worthy upgrade. And with the Edge boasting a 4200 mAh battery while staying slim, Samsung is clearly raising the bar across the board. Meanwhile, the Ultra is shaping up to be the true powerhouse. Leaks suggest slimmer bezels, serious camera enhancements, and finally faster charging speeds. This creates a challenge for the Pro. It risks being overshadowed by its big brother, unless Samsung gives it at least one killer feature. But here's the twist, Samsung has time. They surprised us before, and one unexpected upgrade could flip the whole story. If that new sensor pulls off impressive low-light shots, the S26 Pro could shift from safe choice to sleeper hit. The Pro might just surprise everyone and become the most popular Galaxy of 2026. So, do you think Samsung is playing to safe, or will the S26 Pro prove the skeptics wrong?